Hi there, my name is Jack here at Stafford Audi, and today I'd like to present to you this brand new Audi S3 Sportback 2.0 TFSI Black Edition. This particular vehicle is finished in the standout and optional Python yellow metallic paintwork, giving it that standout road appearance. Looking towards some of the key features, and with this being the S3 model, this means the vehicle features that 2-litre turbocharged TFSI petrol engine, producing 333 PS and 420 Nm of torque, with a 0 to 62 time of just 4.7 seconds. As we look towards the front, we notice these stunning matrix LED headlights, which are perfect for visibility in every weather condition. Down towards the wheels now, we find these stunning 19-inch 5 twin-spoke dynamic design alloys with the upgraded S calipers. Now to the side, there is the rear privacy glass, which does keep the rear occupants in view and blends in lovely with the rest of the gloss black trims around the vehicle. As we move into the rear boot space of the Audi S3 Sportback, we find upwards of 320 litres of storage capacity, a large amount for a hatchback of this size, and can easily accommodate 2 larger suitcases and a few additional shopping bags. Now as we look into the rear seats, we do find a two-tone leather interior with the Napa leather and also the quilted leather in the centre. There is also a leather centre armrest, which is for them to present 2 useful cup holders and ISOFIX points, which are neatly located across the back row. As we move into the front, that layout continues with a host of plush materials such as fine Napa leather, Dinamica and aluminium. This vehicle is fitted with the upgraded Technology Package Pro, including this fantastic panoramic sunroof just above with that manually adjustable blind. Above that, there is the virtual cockpit, which features a sports rev counter, as well you can access your navigation, as well as important vehicle and driving data. And now as you look towards the centre of the dashboard, we do notice this fantastic MMI touchscreen display, in this case featuring that satellite navigation, but it can also be used to connect to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Displayed in the centre as well for better viewing is the 360 cameras and the park assist, making the S3 much easier to manoeuvre, especially into the tighter spaces. So thank you for watching this video of the brand new Audi S3 here at Stafford Audi, and for more information please don't hesitate to get in touch with our friendly sales team.